Why you think you're fierce?
Hi my love, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we're doing a glamorous look all using super affordable products or products that I have found on Amazon, like this beautiful glitter, or so cheap. I'm gonna leave the link below in case you guys are interested, but without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing first, base, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this Itcosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I love this for the eyes to apply eyeshadow. It really intensifies everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little tiny bit like so. I definitely go super heavy handed sometimes, and you shouldn't, because a little goes a long way with this stuff. Like, it's so intense, and you want to make sure you blend it all in till it looks almost mattified. Okay, eyes are pretty much prepped. I think I'm gonna start with this Sugar Trip Squad eyeshadow palette from NYX. I really love these colors. I don't have like pretty awesome red shade that don't look pink, which is super upsetting, but so I'm gonna start with this shade right here just to go right in and go all in. I'm gonna start working this really high up onto the crease. And this is actually going to be a super simple look, you guys. I don't even think I'm going to be doing a cut crease today. And you guys know I live for a cut crease, and I'm always doing cut creases, so this is huge. So as you can see, I'm going in a round circle like that, just blending before I pick up more. I'm just going to start blending. I blend while I apply the shades. And you guys know I love to bring my eyeshadow all the way up high to my brow bone. And of course, I'm still using just one shade, and I'm making sure I'm blending it really well. Okay, you guys, obviously you want to do the simple steps of applying the color and blending in these colors. Now we have that pink. I'm gonna leave it as it is, just because I don't want to add too much. And now I'm gonna go in with this glitter right here, which is from Amazon, you guys. Super affordable. I've been loving just shopping on Amazon and finding little things like glitter, chunky glitter. I love chunky glitter. Anyways, we're gonna be applying that all over the eyelid, literally from outer to inner parts, like. And this is actually gonna be a super simple look, you guys. I don't even think I'm gonna be doing a cut crease today. Full on. So I'm gonna add some glitter glue, which I really like, and I like to go straight in with the wand that it brings and just apply it right onto the lids, just like that. And I'm actually making sort of like a cut crease with this. I don't even think I'm gonna be doing a cut crease today, because I'm gonna apply it all the way up to the crease. Now I'm just gonna grab these babies right here and start putting them on. Whoa, these are really chunky. I'm kind of scared right now. Oh my god, I never used such chunky glitter. Oh my god. Wow, this is super like beyond chunky, you guys. And it's rather scary to use this. But it looks really pretty. It looks almost like super murmur type of thing. Wow, you have to have a lot of eyelid space to apply this much like I did. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay, you guys, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna go on with my lower lashes now and see. I'm not gonna add more colors. I'm crazy enough to add a different color on my bottom lash, but I'm not. Maybe I should. I'm actually gonna go back to the same palette, Sugar Trip palette, and add this shade right here. Same one that we added onto the crease, so yes. And you guys, I'm actually gonna go try to go in. And you guys, I'm actually gonna try to use this CoverGirl Defining Moment All Day eyeliner. Does it work? So this is a yellow liner. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my waterline. Yeah, this eyeliner, you can't even see them on my eyes, so I'm not even gonna bother. This drugstore's eyeliner usually don't work when it comes to like super bright colors. So what I'm gonna do is use this Puff Fanatic, and I'm gonna be applying that on my waterline as a base, and then go in with a yellow eyeshadow. And as you can see, I love these Flower Beauty Puff Fanatic eye pigment. They work so great, you guys, for the waterline as well. And then I just like to go ahead and set that. Okay, you guys, pretty much eyes are done. Let's go ahead and now put some lashes and mascara, and we're pretty much almost done. And definitely to pop up this look, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer. I'm still using my favorite bronzer at the moment. I don't have anything drugstore or super affordable other than this baby right here, because it does bring 3 different highlighter and also a bronzer. And this bronzer, let me tell you, it is beautiful on my skin tone and I like it. And of course, adding a little tiny bit of more highlight. And of course, to finish this look off, I'm going to apply some lipstick. I don't know if I want to go with something like dark, vampy, or definitely not. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, become part of the family, and also turn on your notification bell, because that's the only way you'll be notified, honey. If not, you will never get notified about my videos. And what's up with that? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me know if you guys want me to do more glitter looks. You guys know I live for glitter, and I'll see you babes on my next tutorial. Make sure you guys don't miss my last videos because they're popping, okay? Go show some love to your girl.